to save for her daughter's college education, Mr. Halim decided to save 50 ringgit at the end of every month. So this is an annuity, okay, where we can notice the R, which is 50. A serial payment that happen at the end of every month. Okay, so let's draw some timeline. So this is 0, so we pay 50 every month. And interest charge is 0.1. Okay, so this is our J, 0.1. Compounded monthly, our M is 12. And if he begins the saving program when his daughter is 5 years old, okay, so the daughter is 5 years old when the time is 0, or the year is 0, how much will he save by the time his daughter is 20 years old? So if his daughter is 20 years old, means 20 minus 5. So the year that he'll be doing his saving will take 15 years. Okay, so let's find how much will he save by the time his daughter is 20 years old by using future value annuity. So T equals to 15. So 15 times 12, which is our N, 180. So put into the formula S, R, 1 plus I power N minus 1 divided by I. So S equals to, our R is 50, 1 plus 0.1 divided by 12, power with 180 minus 1, and divided with 0.1 divided by 12. So let us find the amount the daughter will receive by her age is 20. So she's gonna receive 20,723 and 52 cents. Now let's find the interest. I equals to S minus with Rn. So S is 20,723 and 52 cents minus with 50 will time with 180. So the interest that's going to be earned is $11,723 and 52 cents.